American Waltz series, use of the standing leg. If we don't use our standing leg, which would be my right, Betty's left, that's our standing leg or our supporting leg. Our moving leg would be the opposite. My left leg's moving, her right leg's moving. If we don't do that, that means that we're shifted towards the center, so this is 2 left feet. We're in the middle. We're not getting on one foot or the other foot. So to use the standing leg, let's move over just a little bit. To use the standing leg, we need to release the hip a lot, shift the head over so that we're lining up the spine more over Betty's left foot. I'm going to go ahead and move her head. She's not going to like this, right? So she's no longer over the standing leg. Now she is, yeah? If she just turns her face, that doesn't put her over the standing leg. She's got to pull that ear out, rib cage, hip, knee, standing leg. What that does, that gives us compression a little bit longer so that we've got time to swing and prepare, and it has some body weight into that leg to push off. Very hard to do slow. So let's speed it up. It'll be harder to see, but we might be able to do a little bit better. On the standing leg, so we're shifting over that foot. I'm releasing my hip, Betty's releasing hers. We're on that standing leg. We should be able to swing farther, and push more. Now we reverse. Now I'm moving into my left hip. Betty's into her right hip a little bit. We're into the standing leg. Still offset, but we feel that we're into Betty's right leg. Now we can push longer and reach. Release. And a couple centered. So if we're not over that leg, we're centered. I have a little bit of weight on my left. She has a little bit of weight on the right. Not nearly the same thing. So one of the things that we're doing here, we have the ability with our feet together to shift our weight and settle. We can settle into the hip. Yeah? Back view. So if we're standing on the left foot, follower's point of view, we shift our body over that left foot. Make sure not to just turn the face. Yeah? Now we can get a bigger swing, more of a push. So we're creating an axis here. We can do it to the other side. Again, shifting over. Knee, hip, rib and back, ear. And we can swing longer and push. So the big deal is being able to shift over and release a hip.